We ourselves are the cause of all our problems. From the moment we born, we are given certain beliefs. We find solutions to all the problems in our life, whether small or big, through our beliefs. Because we become slaves to those beliefs. We do not think about the problem logically and do not even try to find its solution logically because we are slaves of beliefs. Now, suppose it is necessary to have a son in India in married life, because if there is no son, then salvation will not be attained. Whereas in America or any European country, having a son or not is not a big deal. In India, one thing can become sorrow. In America or any European country, that thing has no meaning. So the problem is in our limited thinking. We do not think out of the box. We are afraid. We use beliefs to escape our fears and to fulfill our desires. Beliefs do not give us the freedom to think deeply. They imprison us in a case. Actually, all this is due to lack of faith. Actually, we are very sacred people. But fear itself is such a scary thing. There will be no harm if you start thinking deeply, and you will find something that you cannot even imagine. Therefore, continue questioning is necessary. Keep asking questions, don't stop. And very important thing is that you will not get answers, your questions will end. Because if answers are found, then more questions will arise again. When will you find peace? When those questions will end, you can call it freedom or liberation or anything.